Breakfast in 5 minutes to lose weight. Are you juggling a busy schedule but still want to stay on top of your weight loss goals? We've got the perfect solution for you. Lightning fast breakfasts that take only 5 minutes to prepare. Let's make mornings energizing, stress-free, and weight loss friendly. Breakfast matters. Skipping your morning meal or making unhealthy choices can hurt your progress. Today, I'll show you quick, delicious recipes that won't derail your goals. These breakfasts are high in nutrients, low in calories, and big on taste. Ready to change your mornings forever. Let's dive right in. Eating breakfast jump-starts your metabolism, setting you up to burn calories efficiently throughout the day. On top of that, a balanced morning meal keeps those pesky mid-morning cravings at bay, making it easier to stick to your eating plan. Weight Watchers, this is your game changer. A healthy breakfast doesn't have to be time-consuming. When planned right, it's your secret weapon for sustained energy and a slimmer waistline. Say goodbye to the "I don't have time for breakfast" excuse. What we've got for you takes only 5 minutes to prepare. Let's start with a quick fix breakfast that's creamy, satisfying, and rich in protein. All you need are 3 simple ingredients: Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, and a sprinkle of nuts or granola. Here's how to put it all together in under 5 minutes. Scoop a serving of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt into a bowl. Add berries like blueberries or strawberries for natural sweetness and fiber. Then top it with chopped almonds or granola for a satisfying crunch. This balanced bowl will keep you full and energized for hours. Who doesn't love a good avocado toast? Here's how to make this trendy breakfast the quick and healthy way. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and whole grains, making it perfect for your weight loss journey. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. Mash half an avocado with a fork and spread it evenly on the toast. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, pepper, and chili flakes. If you love heat, want an extra boost, add a poached egg on top, still under 5 minutes. Smoothies are the ultimate grab-and-go breakfast, and the options are endless. I'll show you how to make a green smoothie that's refreshing, quick, and designed to support weight loss. Blend 1 cup of almond milk, a handful of spinach, half a frozen banana, and a scoop of protein powder. For some extra flavor, toss in a teaspoon of peanut butter or chia seeds. In just 1 whirl, you've got a nutrient-dense breakfast that's as satisfying as it is slimming. Now that you know some recipes, let's talk about time-saving tips to make your mornings even easier. Prepping your ingredients ahead of time is key. Cut your fruits or portion out yogurt the night before so you're not scrambling in the morning. Invest in tools like a personal blender or multi-slicer to speed things up. With these items in your arsenal, no time won't be an obstacle. A little planning leads to stress-free mornings and delicious breakfasts that fit your weight loss goals. Weight loss can feel overwhelming, but remember, it's the small, consistent changes that add up. These 5-minute breakfasts are a simple habit you can stick to every day to see real results. Stay focused, stay motivated, and don't let busy mornings derail your goals. Mornings are your chance to set the tone for the day. When you start off with a nutritious, satisfying meal, you're telling yourself, "I've got this." Embrace these quick recipes as part of your journey to becoming the healthiest version of yourself. No more excuses, no more rushed mornings, and no more skipping the most important meal of the day. It's all about making small choices that lead to big transformations. Are you ready to take control of your mornings and fuel your weight loss journey? If these recipes and tips inspire you, make sure to try them out this week and let me know your favorite. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes, and share it with someone who needs a breakfast boost. Mornings just got better. Let's do this together.